Hi, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. Today I'm going to be installing an RV lock replacement for my camper. So this is going to be a touchpad camper lock, so that way I can get in and out of my camper without needing my key. The tools I'm going to need today: the replacement RV lock, a T20, and a Phillips. Get some of this cleaned off. So now we got everything out, cleaned up. So we're going to slide this in. It's much easier to do with two hands. Now this lock's gently kind of set in place, I'm going to put this strike plate on and attach that with a couple of machine screws. When I get that strike plate put on loosely, I'm going to now reconnect this front plate. Make sure to just use the flat head, not the button head. Made that mistake on this outside piece. If you use the button head, then it will not clear this. You got to adjust it. I had to kind of hit that with the hammer just a little bit, kind of nudge it that way. This door opening is kind of tight, so closes like it's supposed to. Opens nice and easy. So the default code here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's locked. So unlocked. Now I got this installed. I'm going to set my default code. This is just be for the video. I'm not going to actually keep this. So what you do is you press the 8 lock. You have 10 seconds to 1, 2, 3, 4 locked, factory code. 1, 3, 5, 7 locked, it's a new one. 1, 3, 5, 7 new one. Now it's programmed. So nice and unlocked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Default does not work anymore. 1, 3, 5, 7. But now I'm going to sync up this remote to this. The first step is turning this to on to activate the remote. And then I'm going to press this fob learn button. It's chirping. Now I just got to press the lock button on here. Now the remote's synced up. Thanks for watching and sticking around to the end of the video. And it's pretty simple install. I'd recommend it.